Let's fill out the Ohio Boat Bill of Sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then the hull identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now, the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Let's walk through what you'll need to know. First, both the buyer and the seller will need to provide their Social Security numbers on the document. So make sure you have that information ready before you sit down to fill things out. If the boat has more than one owner, both owners will need to be present to sign. So plan ahead and coordinate with everyone involved. When it comes to the sale price, you'll want to know that there is a title fee of $15, and that same $15 fee applies to the title transfer as well. If there is a lien on the boat, keep in mind that liens are filed in the same manner as motor vehicle titles. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.